Hello everyone. The setup on the Harley Benton Jazzmaster was very minimal. Action height down, very quick, just the two screws and the bridge. Really like that style of bridge for that. Basically, nice hot P90. Not sure how jazzy that is. It's a 10K, you know. And I've seen how they're wound different. I do understand how they're different. A P90 is a large single coil. So it's bigger than like a fender. It's like they call them soap bars. Whereas this footprint is even larger than a P90, but they don't wind it as thick. It's narrow. It's thin, generally thin up and down, but even wider than a P90. So that's your difference in, how they're wound and what makes them different. This is very P90 sounding, like I've heard. But yeah, it's pretty hot pickup, so probably going to be like that. So yeah, very rock and rolly. Not sure how jazzy it is, but it is kind of a really nice looking, it's more of a grunge rock guitar, and it has that look to it, so, nothing wrong with that. I probably won't be playing jazz. I just wanted to explore the jazz pickup. So, yeah. There again, the jazz pickup is even larger than a P90, which is a large single coil. But the jazz pickup is generally, like your P90 may be this tall. Jazz pickup is generally narrower, but even wider, yet. So, yeah. Like I said, very minimal. String height. Oh, I haven't attempted intonation yet. Appears to have a standard pattern. It's probably not intonated. But sounds pretty good. Yeah. No problems. Played it for a while. Checked the tuning before doing the video. Still in tune. Appears to be very tune stable, as it should be. Yeah. very Justin-esque, not perhaps very Chazzy. Uh-oh. Testing, testing. Testing 1, 2, test, So yes, I'll move forward since the remote microphone needs a recharging. Yes, very, very wonderful, nice, playable Harley Benton Jazzmaster. Oh yes, oh yes. What's up? What's up? Thank you very much. Very, very much to my style of playing, in a grunge sort of way, not in a jazz sort of way. So, not a broadening of my horizons by any means, but very nice indeed. And that is all. Just wanted to let you know she's a very good player. Appears to have a perfect fretboard. Not a lot to say. Not a lot to complain about. Good stuff. Good stuff, Harley Benton. Yeah. It's the only one I needed. And later.